everyone, welcome back to Code Campus. Today we are delving into the first task of level 2 from the Python development internship at Cognifyz Technologies. We are going to build a number guessing game using Python. This project is not only fun but also a great opportunity to reinforce your skills in Python programming and logical thinking. Let's dive into the code. First, let's just make a Python file. I'm giving it the name guessing_game. You can give it any name. Now we import the random module. This module provides functions to generate random numbers in Python, which we will use to generate the number that the player needs to guess. Next, this lines print the title and the decorative line for our number guessing game. The use of the tab characters helps to center the text and create a visually appealing interface. Next, we define a function named guessNumber. Functions are reusable blocks of code that help us to keep our program organized and easier to understand. Inside the function, we use random.randint within bracket 1, 100 to generate a random integer between 1 and 100. This random number will be the target that the player tries to guess. Next, we start a while loop with while true. This loop will continue until we break out of it using the break statement when the player guesses the correct number. Next, inside the loop, we prompt the user to enter their guess using the input function. We convert this input from string to an integer using int because input returns a string by default. Next, using the if statement, we check if the player's guess matches the random number. If they're equal, we print a congratulatory message and break out of the loop using break to end the game. If the player's guess is less than the random number, we print too low, try again, prompting them to guess a higher number. If the player's guess is greater than the random number, we print too high, try again, prompting them to guess a lower number. After exiting the loop, we prompt the player if they want to play again. By asking want to play again, we convert their response to lowercase using .lower function for easier comparison. Next, using the if statement, we check if the player's choice is Y, means yes, then we call the guess number to start a new game, or otherwise we print a thank you statement and end the game. Finally, we initiate the game by calling guessNumber function. Outside of any of the function calls, this starts the entire process of number guess. Now that's all for the code. Now I'm going to run it. Okay, so it is asking guess the number between 1 and 100. So I'm giving 10. It is showing too low, try again. Now I'm just trying. Okay. Again showing too high, try again. So now I have guessed the correct number. So it is showing congratulations, you guessed the correct number. Now I don't want to play again, so I'm writing N. It is showing thank you for playing. And there you have it. You have just built a fully functional number guessing game. This project not only tests your understanding of basic Python concepts like functions, loops, conditionals, and user input handling, but also provides a fun interactive experience for players. This week, I am going to cover all the 5 tasks of level 2. The week after that, I am going to continue with level 3. So stay tuned for more exciting projects from our Python internship series. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. And also hit the bell icon for notifications. Thanks for watching and happy coding.